Demolition time. All right, today we are starting a new project. We're actually building a goat pen. What do you call it?
Goat house.
A goat house. Is that Crystal? A goat house.
I don't know what that is.
It looks like Crystal. But yeah, we're building a goat house. And we bought this thing for $280 delivered to the house. I'll show you guys. All right, so this is what we're working with. Got cut off. Yeah, we have a hole here. It's pretty disgusting. But we're gonna fix her up and I'm gonna put some goats in here so Cash can have some friends. Right?
Yeah.
They're sisters. Cash, they're sisters. We skinned the cat. Just like that. Got more holes than we think. It's crazy. Now let's remove all that wood. Well, we're removing actually this trim piece here. And I'm gonna remove that to save a little bit of money there. Every penny counts. So let's get it, keep going. All right, we have removed a door and she's almost done with the trim on that side. And she's still gotta do the back. And I'm gonna try to take the other door off. And then start hitting these panels out. Let's get it. Demolition time.
Hey. You alright?
I hit my little cut.
Oh man.
You wanna show the camera?
Sure.
I think I'm gonna go get stitches.
I think you should. It needs stitches. It's still bleeding. It's been like hours.
All right, the wife's turn. Freaking ants.
Oh, this is the ant one too.
Yeah, that's the ant
The
one.
ant's gonna fall on me.
Hit it. No. Oh, hit the sides of it. Oh, stronger than me. Now do that one.
Oh man, this is the harder one.
Yeah, hit the sides first. All right, the bottom. Again. On the middle. Oh.
Is it one long panel?
Yeah. Hit the bottom, the middle. Oh. 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 Oh.
That's empowering.
She got it. All right, nice. Now we gotta do the roof. Yup. Dude, yeah, right there. It's off. Hit it right there. Nice. Oh. Huh?
Bad too.
I don't know. We might be able to get away with it. They're still pretty sturdy. I mean,
Just hammer it down a little bit more.
actually, we're gonna have to drill something on there better. Is there anything in the back?
No.
All right.
There's stuff all over me now.
All right, so we're almost there. Now we just gotta get a couple more things. And then, yep, hit it up. Oh, hit it right here. Down there.
Oh, it's down my boobs. Ooh. Set that beam down. Not stable at all.
All right, one more, two more.
You still recording?
Let me use my left hand. 4.
Oh my god, it's like snowing wood. Ooh. Ew, look at all the freaking ants everywhere. Look, they're all up there too.
They'll die.
Are those termites though? Are they gonna eat the rest?
No, they're ants.
Yeah, but they're carrying little white things. You got it.
All right, let's go buy some wood. All right, we got our lattes. About to go to Home Depot and get some wood. Let's get it. All right, so we got everything in this cart. And now we're going to the cashier, cashing out, paying for this stuff, and then I'm going back home, trying to cut this stuff. Let's see if we can make it fit. All right, we're all loaded up. Now let's go home. That was a workout.
Yeah.
Let's get it. Guys, our stuff's missing. The truck's telling us our stuff's missing. It's not missing. You lied. She lied. Let's get it. We arrived. No tie downs. Baller status. Gangster status, at least. So now let's get to the building of this thing. Let's get it. So now we're taking apart all the beams of the shed. So we're gonna make new ones because all these are rot. So what we're doing first, we're just taking them apart, and I'm gonna just mark. We're gonna use one as a template pretty much, and then we're gonna just cut the stuff and put it up. So stay tuned. All right, so we're out here cutting all the pieces to put everything together. We did the sides, the top, those are junk, and then now we're doing the things to hold all that together. And then we're gonna keep going. We leveled the, we'll show you guys later. We leveled the, well, let's do it now. We leveled the shed. It's up a little bit more on bricks and stuff. It's a goat house, so, you know, it doesn't really matter too much. They hop all over here, so the height doesn't really matter, you know. So everything's leveled. Get rid of those and keep going. Stay tuned. Be careful with nails. All right, so now we're making these bracket thingies, or cross members, whatever they call them. We made 4 of them so far, so we got 1 left. I'm gonna show you how to make how we're gonna do this. Stay tuned. All right, right, so you guys have it right there. That's how we made them. We pre-made everything, pre-cut everything, and then assembled it this way, because we tried to assemble it without this and it wasn't coming out right. So always do, you know, always trace back where you started from. Right? Let's get it. All right, so we mounted them up. It's looking good. It's looking good. So what do you guys think? Comment below. See what you guys think. Yeah, now we're gonna do the rest of the roof, and then tomorrow we're gonna be doing the floors. Yep. So the roofs today went to shingles. I got everything, and then after that we can just do the floors, like I said. So stay tuned, guys, and hope you guys keep enjoying the videos that I'm posting. All right, update. We are just putting the front of the, you know, the shed, the door and everything. It was all corroded on top, so. But now we ran into another issue with the floor. Everything's mounted on it, and I should have thought about it before I started the top. But I didn't keep going. I stopped and got to replace this too. So what we're gonna do, so we don't have to take everything apart, we're gonna just cut around the whole shed to get the floor out, and then we're gonna put new floor on top of it. That's what we're gonna do. It's a sheep house or it's a goat house, so it doesn't matter to them too much, you know. They're not luxurious like us. So let's get it, and make sure you guys like, subscribe. All right, so we cut out the floor just like you do in a house when you can't get to the studs. So now we're gonna attempt to keep working because it's starting to rain. It's always some BS, but it's getting done. Let's get it. All right, guys, so the floor is pretty much done. I just cut the boards and put them on here. So we're continuing. It rained on us, so let's get it. All right, so here's the other piece, the doorway. We're fixing it up. It's so much work, guys. Some stupid goats. So I gotta get all this back together. We're gonna already cut all the pieces, and they're right there. So just gotta make a couple more of those things to hold on. But yep, we keep going. Let's get it. All right, so this is how we're progressing, putting everything together. We cut that piece out, put a new piece on there. Just trying to repair it, guys. Not fix the whole thing, you know, restore it. It's for goats, or yeah, goats. All right, now we're mounting on the wall. Súbelo, súbelo. All right, so this is how it's looking so far. Did the floors, did the doors. The doors close pretty well, but I'm gonna put another locking thing there because we do have a little gap, but I ain't worrying about it. As long as this locks and everything, it's not a perfect job. I'm not a freaking carpenter, so I'm a mechanic. So we're just trying to figure out what we're gonna do with this floor here. Put a beam on the side or something, but I gotta still cut this and keep going on the roof. Once we tie everything together there on the top, then we can continue on the sides, and then we'll do the shingles after. But yeah, this is a tough project, guys. Never done anything like this in my life, and it's coming along okay, I think. Comment below if you guys think I suck. All right, update. This project is just almost over. You guys can see got. It's not perfect, but whatever. I really don't give a crap. That's how it's looking. Now we gotta finish the side here with the final touch. Let's get it. All right, we got the underliner on now. It's looking like a shed now. So now we just gotta trim a couple of the sides and start the shingles. Let's get it. All right, so now we're installing the shingles. We did the drip edge all around the shed, and now we're doing the shingles. So we're starting this side, giving it 1/2 inch this way and 1/2 inch this way, and we're going along this way. We drew a line, so we're gonna cut this off the access, make it look nice. So let's get it. All right, we're making progress. We laid down the first at the bottom, and then the next one, and we keep going. So you want to line it up with this, and then keep going. There's lines on it too, so let's get it. All right, guys, so the shed is all done, and it's winter time now. I forgot to show it to you guys before. So we painted it and everything, made it look pretty fresh. If you guys can see, she looks really, really good. So let's take a look inside, see how it looks. It's been a few months. All right, so this is my shed. As you can see inside, looks good, dry. And I've been storing just my pillows and stuff, my stock exhaust, stuff that it's really not worth anything to me. But it's in here because of weather protection, just in case someone needs it or I need it or something, you know. Here's cash. So as you can see, we repaired the whole entire thing. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and you know, I'll keep putting car videos and some of this stuff that I'm doing. So I'm just adding on to what I can do. Show everybody that you can do anything. Put your mind into it. Let's get it. God bless. Peace.